have this genius idea, maybe not genius. You know how on Facebook and Instagram, it basically shows you this was you on this particular day. 1, 2, 3, 4 years ago. So I saw this bun picture of me, flawless makeup, flawless bun, my infamous bun. If you're new to my channel, back in my relaxer days, big bun, more fun, giving all kinds of vibes, giving looks, got them shook. Now we giving the bigger the hair, it makes them stare, sort of. It's not that long, but you know. I'm basically gonna try to recreate that look. Yeah, I don't know if I wanna do this as the intro or show the finished look in the intro. Most recreations don't reveal the finished look until the end. But then again, like, we got the thumbnail photo. Either way, let's get started because we gotta do hair and makeup. I wanna see if I can blow dry it on the cool setting. Since it's not wet, I don't feel like I'll need the heat. I'm gonna use this brush. I know I told you all we were gonna do like a full detail video on it. This idea came to mind. I just want to kind of do it while I'm, you know how you have to do things while you're in the mood to do things? I'm in the mood to do this video today, so it's on cool. I said, ooh. Okay, I'm gonna try some mousse. I'm gonna have the hardest time trying to get my hair in a bun. I haven't worn a bun on my natural hair at all. This is gonna be a first. Oh my God. This is gonna take forever just to blow dry my hair and work it up. So I'm fully natural now, so my steps have to be a little bit different. I went ahead and decided to go ahead and just shampoo my hair, start from scratch. I'm using the one and only quick blow dry shampoo. I actually got this from Dollar Tree a good while ago, but if I can find a link for it elsewhere, it'll be in the description box. When my hair was relaxed, doing a quick bun style was super easy. Whenever my roller set or my flat wrap would get old or it just needed to be washed, I would just throw it up into a bun in about 5 minutes. But now that I'm natural, we gotta take a few different steps to get closer to that big bun. After shampooing my hair just one time, I went ahead and applied the ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ conditioner, and I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair through. If you saw my Amazon haul and unboxing video, this is when I've recently purchased this brush, and I absolutely love it. I know you're supposed to clip that thing on there, or I guess you don't have to, because look at how it's brushing through my curls. I went ahead and put my cap on and I let that sit while I was just outside, and then I came back home and here we are. Okay, I'm back. I already rinsed out with the conditioner. I'm taking this same leave-in conditioner from the brand that I use to wash my hair with. Gonna overlap a whole bunch of stuff to get my hair as sleek as possible and work it up if I can without blow drying it, just because that's an extra step I don't want to take. You can tell my dermatologist. Look, remember how that has started going away? If you're not new to my channel, then y'all know about my dermatologist getting me all the way together with these products, but my April appointment got pushed back to June. I haven't gotten my shots in my scalp for my psoriasis. This is the ointment he gave me. I'm supposed to apply it daily, so part of that I could blame myself. Like, I should really be using it now. Alright, how can we do this bun without blow drying my hair? That's the question. So I watched my old bun video, but I have to go back and learn for myself again. I don't know how I talked through it. I guess I just talk too much now. Like, I see some of the comments and I just be like, they just want something smart to say. They be like, she talked too much. But I'm watching my old video, like how I talk through the bun while doing the bun. And the edited version of the video is only 6 minutes and 57 seconds. We're gonna blow dry. I know I just left this step, but with wet hair, and then I'm gonna need length for the bun, it's kind of necessary for me, you know. So this doesn't have to be the absolute best blow dry ever, like flat ironing the hair. It just needs to be stretched out a little bit for the bun. I pulled up my video now. I'm gonna follow what 2017 Bun Tutorial Destiny did. I want to take a little bit of this Cantu anti-break oil and just apply a little bit of this to my hair. In the video, I started off by taking some oil and I'm working my hair up using what I have now to get the same look that I had then. Okay, what you doing next? Oh, I'm using like a dimming brush for that. I said it looks like it's not gonna go up into a high bun. It looks like it's probably not gonna go into bun right now, but girl, I may like screen record and put my older self next to me right now. Looking at my older videos, I won't say always, but I try to go back and rewatch them. But look at my hair. Like, I ain't really blow it out. We giving big right now. I noticed that I was talking while doing my hair and that the video got shortened to 6 minutes and 57 seconds. Destiny, now 2020, like she could never. In this video, I explained my steps, but I didn't explain myself. Now I sit here while I'm doing my hair and I think of, oh, what is someone going to say about the way I did this, about the way I did that? And I spend so much time trying to clarify things. So in this video, I'm explaining my steps, but I'm not explaining myself. I was 7 months post relaxer. Wow. I noticed when my mom, whenever she does my hair, and I'm like, wow, like she gets my ponytails flatter than I can. even in my hair being in its natural state now. And it's because she really uses grease and brushes that into the hair, and it helps to flatten it more. Only thing I can find is this sulfur-8 hair and scalp conditioner. You don't have to use this. It's not really flaky anymore, but working this through my hair and really brushing it, like really brushing it to where I really want to flatten it down. When I typed in All of Destiny bun, I just clicked on whichever one of my videos I saw first. I know I got more than one out there, but I'm taking a clip in and I'm splitting my hair in the back. Let's see. I didn't show the size of the clip in. Wow. I'm gonna use this 3-clip clip in from Betterlength, the same one that I used in the video probably. And an upwards motion. Then I brushed my hair back up. I just heard myself say using some sort of gel helps me to get my hair really smooth. Taking the wet line, just slapping it in here. Whoa, she's rubber bands already. And slow down, edited Destiny. I didn't stand up, but I have to now. Oh my goodness, my arms. Wow. I used rubber bands. We're gonna try it and see. Oh my God. I don't picture this working. No, I feel it. It's gonna pop. Is it gonna pop? Oh man. I don't even feel confident looping that. Okay. I got this bigger scrunchie than the rubber bands that I used back then. And we're gonna secure my hair with this. Come on, get it tight. Get it tight, please. Don't want to redo this. I'm sweating. Tell me it's smooth. More so a sleek bun, so I take my time. Nice and smooth. Please be smooth. Oh man, it's not that tight. I currently don't have any more of the Even New York 24-hour edge timer, but I checked my sister's drawer and her stash. She's not here, but I'm sure she don't mind. She got the big family size one. So, I mean, family, obviously. I'm gonna use this edge brushing comb. I went ahead and washed it. Board bristles on one end, the little comb on the other side. And you can just basically do whatever you want with your edges. I still lay my edges the same way, sort of. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that same thing. This is definitely preference. It's definitely preference at this point, but I like my little swoopies. But I kind of just like to swoop mine. Swoop this. Did I do a hook? Sometimes I do a little hook, and sometimes I do a little hook hoop at the end. I'm gonna skip that this time around. And just comb a piece out, kind of swoop it. I kind of do like 3 little swoops, but just following my hairline. Oh, I said I skipped it. Oops. Oh, that's slick. Like, look at that. Look at that. Girl, what? Let's do the other side. It takes a while to do edges and to work your hair in a ponytail. When you look at a bun, you could be like, oh, okay, that's quick. I could do that. And then when you sit down to do it, yeah, alright. Okay, so since my hair is up in the back, I'm also going to brush this as well to make sure it's smooth. And I didn't do a hook, so I guess I'm gonna put that away. I guess I could have kept it. It's recreating, not doing the exact same thing. Recreations aren't mirror images of, it's just inspired from. Oh snaps! We back, baby! We got a bun! Look at this! What's she doing lately? I've been using wrap strips. Okay, wrap strips. I'm all out of wrap strips. And take my hair scarf, but I just used my last wrap strip the other day. Marinating the edges, setting them in place, or just tying it down while we work with the rest of the bun to really lock everything in. It'll keep me from messing it up while we work with the bun. I don't see that black one that I used in the video, but I did use a big bun maker. The black one that I have is just a little bit smaller than this one. I've had this thing for years. I honestly don't even remember where this is from. Take the bun maker and put it in the center of my hair. I'm hoping that I can get all of this to blend together and those super straight pieces from the clip-ins won't be too obvious. You want to make sure that you're covering the bun maker, especially because mine is brown. You don't want it to be seen. I used to wear this one when I had relaxed hair and my hair was like enough to actually cover the bun maker. I like big buns, so we're gonna see if I'm just gonna try to resemble whatever I'm doing in this video. Let's press play. I covered the entire bun maker. Let the clip-ins just kind of blend with your own hair. A lot of body foaming moves. I'm having to do different steps that I wouldn't have had to do if my hair was still relaxed, but it's cool. See how slick I can get it without blow drying it. Most people would just like flatten their bun down and put their rubber band on it. The reason my buns used to look different back then is because I would do like this spirally motion and I would like twist around. Ooh, that's not gonna be smooth. I used to kind of spin around and brush at the same time. I don't know if this actually do anything, but for me I always felt like it did. Because you could probably do this without spinning around, but that's how I do it. Kind of just do it in a circular motion, and that's also why you want the scarf on there so that you're not pulling into, yep, I pulled it. And just be mindful not to really disturb the actual ponytail part because you want that to stay neat. Natural is just different. Natural is just different. I can't use this big bun maker anymore. Can't believe it. Okay, come on, we're gonna get this bun We're gonna wear this bun today. Wrap and spin and wrap. Gotta make sure we hide it because I was never one that got my bun maker pointed out. And we're not about to start now. I should have used the texture ones, I will say that, because this is obvious. And I messed up that whole section. Come on, you gotta be kidding me. Come on, Destiny. Destiny, you used to do this, sis. You really used to do this. This ain't it. I found my straightening brush. I had to look a little deeper in the drawer. I'm just gonna brush it through random sections. Straightening the hair out like this will make it a little bit longer for when I put the bun maker on. I'll have more hair to wrap around. If you don't want to straighten your hair out, don't straighten your hair out. Okay, we were almost there. No, I'm lying. Not really at all with that straight clip in. So I decided to take the textured clip in by Betterlength when I used to work with them, using their clip ins a lot. And this one is trimmed because when my hair was like shoulder length, my relaxed hair, I had cut that one clip in short, and then it would just make my wrap look more full. It didn't really blend for me to wear all of them when I was relaxed, but the textured ones are working perfectly to make my bun a little more full, and it's going to give me more hair to cover the large bun maker with, since my blowed out hair alone wasn't going to work out for my largest bun maker. You don't have to use bobby pins. Depending on how I'm feeling, some days I use them. I haven't found that my hair tends to come down when I don't, so I'm not going to use any bobby pins. When my hair was relaxed, I did not need the bobby pins, like at all. My bun would just stay in place. My hair scarf and just let this sit for a few moments. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna tie this down, the entire bun. This will really help lay everything and seal it all together. And I'm just gonna leave this on while I clean up this mess that I made on my desk. It's the next day. Actually, I did go ahead and take the scarf off about 5 minutes after cleaning off my desk yesterday. I just never really came back to the camera. All I did was take my scarf off and retouch up my edges the same way you all saw in the beginning of the video. I'm hoping that my hair will last at least about 4 days. I want to apply some of my pink sugar hair perfume, sort of just like a little serum. It's just fragranced. It makes my hair smell like pink sugar. So tying it down like this and sleeping on it at night really helps to like lay everything really nice and flat. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting my bun to turn out this nice. I'm really glad that I was able to recreate this look. I like it. Big bun more fun. We giving big bun more fun vibes. Fingers crossed, I'm getting ready to go to the gym, so I hope that my bun holds up. If you follow me on Instagram, then you'll see how that goes. That's the finishing touches. Questions or comments, be sure to leave all that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. Bye.
And that's just how I'm living. Money